Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how you actually activate a code on Deezer. Now let's say you've had a birthday and you got a gift card for Deezer and you want to redeem it. Now I'm going to show you how to actually do it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and head to Deezer. Right here. Now once your Deezer loads up, you simply log into your existing account in the top right corner, and when you've logged in you simply press the little icon right here, and all you have to do is go to activate a code. Now this takes you to another page where you can actually activate the promo code that you've just got. Now make sure that the promo code isn't used, and here you simply press submit. Now if the code doesn't exist, it will actually tell you, but it's everything, and here you can use the code for your liking. Now if you still got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to do my very best to help you, but most importantly, thank you for watching.